Alright guys, let's get to it. Guys, look at this little 1992 Honda Z50R. Going for $3,000 to $4,000. And look at this. Got a Honda here. This is crazy. Look at this one. Get this Yamaha. 1971 Yamaha. 3,000 to 4,000. Come over here. This 1969 Honda Mini. 1969, guys. Look at this one, 1969. Look at that. Yeah, look at this. 1971. I'm gonna be showing you the bikes today. Look at this one. Pretty nice, right? To the right. 1961. Look at that. Something. 1954 Thunderbird. Oh wow. Look at that. Something. 1965 Scrambler. That's something. Look at this 1967 red Royal Enfield. Oh wow. Something. That is awesome. Wow. Next to that, you got the 1957 BSA Gold Star. Look at that. Wow. Something, right? Crazy. This is the look at this right here. This Russian vodka 1962 wagon. Oh, it's like a scooter. That's something. Very unique. And look to the left. The 1955 Asa. That's something. It's pretty nice. Wow. Check out this yellow 1978 350 Sport. This is something. 1978. That's awesome. 1961. That's nice. AJS. The Marco collection. Look at this 1977 Augusta. Very nice. Right next to the 1964 James Captain Super Sport. Look at that. Look at those two, man. That's nice. Wow. Got the 1959 Moto. Look at that. That's something, right, guys? Whole different era. $1971. Wow. So nice. Look at this 1942 Harley Davidson. Look at these. Oh wow. 2024. 1986 Honda. 1986 Honda. Wow. And then another 1986 Honda. Look at this 1916. Wow. Something. Let's get a tag on it.